Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just go down, you click here on spell check settings, you just click on it. You come here to spell check in background, click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. That's means spell check in background enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.